All right, Dave, you're going to have to edit all this out here. But I wanted to make sure the camera is now hooked into the 3/4 ton truck. We're going to go get fuel again. This is fuel day. We're going to go back to Buc-ee's because that's the most inexpensive place. Okay. Yeah, I think it may not rain today. Those clouds all look kind of high coverage. It's not feeling it. I thought a little earlier today it may be, but the clouds are starting to go higher. We're now at 123 degrees. $129. $143. Okay, turning yellow, blinking, I can turn. Now I'm going just the way I did last time. You just keep driving and go down to the end and find yourself a pump. We'll see if the Tesla's still there. I don't think he is. I was delayed leaving the house. And we'll come in and see if they got another vehicle charging. I think they may. Nice boat. Yeah, look at that. The Tesla truck is gone. Oh man, someone got my spot. Oh well. Okay, looks like they're the same type of Tesla, a black one and a white one. And the reason I said my spot is because 211 I know has a working printer. Okay, well, I'm gonna fill up here, stop the camera. I filled up. It's only a little under $50 for the fuel. So it cost me about $100 a trip to go to Tennessee. Let's see. Where am I going? We're coming back over here. You see now, the two charging vehicles, these people went in, which is absolutely fine. So they're in there getting food, doing stuff. You see the screens, all the pretty stuff, and then you got this vehicle here. And what is this? That is a Honda. Yeah, I don't know if all those adapt to each other or how all that works. I don't even know if that's a hybrid, to be honest with you. Maybe that's how they protest Tesla in Alabama, is to pull a Honda in and sit and don't disturb anything. Just take up a stall when there's 9 or 10 other ones there available. Okay. Let's see. Come on, buddy. Oh, Delaware. Well, we know who comes from Delaware around here, don't we? Yeah, you got to be nice to everybody. It's not right. Most people from Delaware, but not all, are or nothing really. Man, I don't know what I managed to swallow. Oh, there's a green light in that. Oh, he didn't go because he's in the left lane. Okay. Okay. I have no traffic nonetheless. Yeah. A lot of those people come off the interstate, go straight to Buc-ee's, that's for sure. I'm certain they sell 10 gallons of gas or so every hour. All right. And let's see. Oops. Well, I messed that up. Where you said it? Fuel economy. Wow, I was getting poor miles. Oh, that's right. It was raining and stuff. The tank is full, though, according to the gauge. Oh, man. Sorry about that. I'm going to come here and, oh, ooh, that a Porsche? Oh, my goodness. It's a Porsche. Yeah, I'm not into European vehicles. But that person is. All right, temperatures are up, turbo's working, we're doing good. 122,000 miles on this truck. Car on the right, and now he's going. Okay, so you will have seen 2 runs to Buc-ee's. The next one is running to the gas station up the street here to get a couple propane tanks, and I'll fill up there just because they'll be happy to see me. I won't film that. I haven't seen them in quite a while, because since they built Buc-ee's, that's where I go to get my cheaper fuel. That's just the way it is. I can't make everyone a millionaire, just the stockholders of Buc-ee's. Buying fuel, that is. Plus, the Buc-ee nuggets are good. They have different flavors, too. Used to bring those into work, but now I don't. Because the company laid me off, man. They laid me off. Can't believe it. In my prime. Not really. They did me a favor. I got severance pay and then I retired. So, all right. Stop it here, Dave.